What you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Walking on a dream. Backbeat, the word is on the street that the fire in your heart is out.
That's all Lionel Messi has in mind. Messi takes everybody on. Messi has got it! This is the game that is going to be remembered as the Lionel Messi match. 19 years of age, he gets a hat-trick. Not only is it a hat-trick, he scores for 10-man Barcelona in extra time. You can't write a script like this.
The game, here's Messi. Messi! Who is the best player in the world? Stunning! Just stunning! How much longer can this guy keep improving?
I just listen to the stadium and it's all for Lionel Messi. And spectacular.
Dani Alves. Swinger and short of the goal. And guess who's got it? Lionel Messi. Winner of the Ballon d'Or may also be winner of this particular trophy, the FIFA Club World Cup.
Continues with Adriano. Options to cross into. And it's Messi who puts Barcelona in front.
Staggering! An electrical storm of an attack here. Wonderful acrobatic goal from Lionel.
Messi pulling the atoms with him as he moves forward. Goes under the legs of the defender, dribbles forward to himself, around the keeper, and puts it in!
And he leaves it up there in acid. Again, Messi. Nothing less than absolute brilliance on steroids.
It's Messi's free kick. Oh, it's a brilliant little Messi goal.
That is world class.
That is Messi class. That's above world class, Jerry.
Lovely bit of skill from Messi. Here's the Argentinian Leo Messi into the penalty area. Messi! What a goal from Leo Messi! Incredible stuff that. And Leo Messi's pulled out one of those little pieces of magic.
It's Messi, it's clever with Xavi. It's Messi, it's 1-0. Brilliant Barcelona football. A goal inside 5 minutes. Just what the Barcelona doctor ordered. It's Lionel Messi's 50th.
It's Fabregas. And it's Messi. And it's Messi. Barcelona get the goal inside that big 2 minutes. It's a massive goal because on the away goals rule it puts them in front in the tie, though they're just level on aggregate.
Daring Messi, who does take it, goes the other way, and freezes the keeper, and ties it up. Oh, what a goal from Messi.
The brilliance of this man never ceases to amaze.
Barcelona have missed 4 penalties this season. Messi hit 3, but he hasn't lost his confidence. A cheeky little chappy.
Messi. Oh, Messi! The overpowered Edwin van der Sar. Out of very little. The little man gets a lot for Barcelona. He scores in England, and it's at Wembley. And it puts Barcelona 2-1 up against Manchester United in the Champions League final.
Whipped in by Messi. Oh!
Where the insane becomes the routine with this man. He is nothing less than a ball whisperer.
They're just looking at it, get that, just bring it down. It's 2-0. It's Messi. He's scored against an English club now. It's Manchester United. And a crucial time with 20 minutes to go.
Thiago. Messi. Messi.
Are you kidding me? we haven't mentioned, Phil, I tell you, the Italians are internationally looking good, but here comes Messi!
Messi around Contini.
Oh my goodness! Utterly unpredictable! He doesn't know what he's going to do, so how the hell do the defenders? You cannot contain him with a net or a trident. He's got pace, he's got power, he's got vision, technique, and he's got finishing power. His cup runneth over.
And here he is again. Here he is again. That's astonishing. It's absolutely world class. He's taken them apart. Only football can make you feel like this.
He's the boss. And here's Messi. Away from 2, 3, 4. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. How good is he? A near supernatural goal from Lionel Messi. He is just brilliant. Best player in the world, bar none.
Premier Division. Something to be admired, I have to say. Well, there's three of them running. He's still going. Look at this, Kevin. It's a brilliant run from Messi. Will he go all the way? It's one of the great Copa del Rey final goal from the magical, mercurial Lionel Messi.
Oh, Kevin, I said they need at least 2 players to stop him. There was 3 there. He beat all 3 of them. Then he beat another one and he put it at the near post. Messi is amazing.
Messi. Oh, brilliant skill from Lionel Messi. Surging forward with real menace here. Brilliant from Messi. Oh, what a goal that is! And the whole of this ground stands and applauds the 19-year-old. Have you seen a better goal than that anywhere? I very much doubt it.
Well, you can't help but smile. That was sensational. And there's very few players, if any, in the world could do what he's just done, Kevin.